Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a crochet circle with single crochet here and then also double crochet as well. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and chain 2. This is for the single crochet. So yarn over and pull through, and then in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to insert my hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a single crochet, and then continue on for the rest of the single crochet in that same stitch. And this is a different way of how to do the crochet circle without the magic ring. Just continue on until you have all of the single crochet that you prefer for your pattern. And then you will slip stitch in that beginning stitch to complete, and then this circle is complete with the single crochet. Okay, so this one is for the double crochet, and you're going to chain 3. This is another way if you like to do the circle for double crochet. So chain 3, then yarn over, and then in that third chain from the hook, you're going to insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete that double crochet, and then you will insert your hook for the rest of the double crochet in that same stitch and just repeat around until you have the amount of double crochet that you prefer. And then slip stitch to complete, and then it's going to look like this. Okay, so another way to do this is for single crochet or even double crochet, you can chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slip stitch in that beginning chain, that first chain, and then it will create your little ring, and then you can chain 3 and then work all of your double crochet right in the center. And you can also do this for single crochet. If you do it for single crochet, you could do a chain 3 and then slip stitch in the beginning chain. And so you'll just continue on until you have the amount of the double crochet that you desire for your pattern. Okay, then you're going to slip stitch in on top of that chain 3, and these are the different ways that you can create a circle, a crochet circle without the magic ring. If the magic ring is too complicated or you just want to do it different ways, these are the different ways. I hope that you enjoyed them. This is for single crochet and double crochet, and you could also probably, you can do them for triple crochets as well. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.